Dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn about diseases which attack rabbits. So without wasting time, let us start with snuffles. Let me first explain it in the way I understand it. Snuffles is a term used to describe the symptoms of runny eyes, nose, and sneezing in rabbits. That's the way I understand it. So the cause of those symptoms is often a chronic bacterial infection in the tear ducts and nasal sinuses. So let us talk about the symptoms of this disease so that everyone can understand whether his or her rabbits are attacked by this disease or not. So the typical early signs are nasal discharge, water eyes, and sneezing. So you can see your rabbit sneezing, just know it is infected with snuffles. Let us talk about prevention. So if you want to prevent your rabbits from this disease, you can quarantine all new rabbits for a 3 week period. So another thing, you can cull rabbits that show continuous chronic symptoms of the disease. So that is all about snuffles. Do this so that you stop the disease from your farm. It has got diarrhea. If you see your rabbit is behind is dirty, and when you see this, just know your rabbit is infected with diarrhea. So if you want to prevent your rabbits from getting this, ensure maximum cleanliness of the houses where the rabbits live. And when you see the rabbit has got infected with this disease, make sure that you change its diet. So you change what it has been eating, what it has been feeding on. And another thing, make sure that you wilt the grass which you give to these rabbits. So what I'm meaning, this grass will after picking it from the garden, it has a high water content. So you have to first wilt it. You can first put it somewhere, it loses some water, and then you give it to your rabbits. That's what I'm meaning by wilting. So you can treat diarrhea using strawberry leaves, and you can also use leaves like the leaves from blackberry. So those leaves will work for you. Dear viewers, our third disease is ear canker. Just know ear canker is caused by ear mite. So when we talk about the symptoms for this disease, you can see the crust forming at the base of the ear. So mites can cause considerable irritations, and the rabbit will shake its head. So you can see the rabbit shaking its head, scratching its ears using its hind feet. So you can just know it has got ear canker, which is caused by the ear mite. So let us talk about the prevention so that we don't make losses because of this disease. So dear farmers, if you want to prevent your rabbits from getting infected with ear canker, don't let the infected rabbits get into contact with the healthy ones. That is the best way of preventing this disease. So let us talk about the treatment. The treatment is very easy. Just get cotton wool and you dip it into vegetable oil, mineral oil. Then you can also use olive oil. Then you apply it to the affected area, where after you can tie using a clean cloth. If you have a good bandage, you can tie it there. So dear viewers, those are the most common diseases, the first 3 common diseases in rabbits. So please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell so that you get a notification every time I load a video, so that we become specialists in these rabbits. May God bless you. Goodbye.